Why Indian toilets are better than Western toilets. It's really a matter of preference when we talk about Indian or Western toilets. While most households are installing Western toilets, there are many who still prefer the Indian-style toilet. It goes without saying that Western toilets are comfortable, but they have many disadvantages too. In this video we are giving 5 reasons why Indian-style toilets are better than the Western-style toilets. Before watching the video, support us by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notification for our latest videos. 1. Indian toilets keep you fitter. Squatting in Indian toilets makes you exercise every day, which is good for your overall health. While most of us know the importance of exercising, we still choose to ignore it. Sitting in Indian toilets makes you squat, sweat and move your hands. It is said that the way you sit in Indian toilet increases your blood circulation and is a great exercise for your hands and legs. 2. Indian toilets can improve digestion. Squatting squeezes your stomach, which aids digestion by pressing, pressurizing and churning the food in your stomach. Sitting in Western-style toilet does not put any pressure on our stomach and sometimes doesn't even lead to good and satisfactory clearance of stool. 3. Indian toilets are eco-friendly. You use toilet paper in Western toilets, which also leads to wastage of paper. There is no paper wastage in case of Indian toilets. Western toilets require even more water as compared to Indian toilets. 4. Indian toilets are good for pregnant women. Using Indian toilets benefit pregnant women as they have to squat while using them. There is no pressure on the uterus while a pregnant woman sits on the Indian toilet. It is even said that using Indian toilet regularly makes pregnant women ready for a smooth and natural delivery. 5. It can prevent colon cancer and other diseases. Squatting helps in the complete evacuation of the stool from the colon in our body. This prevents the chances of constipation, appendicitis and other factors that can cause colon cancer. If you know any other health factor of Indian or Western toilet, let us discuss on the comment box. Like and share this video with your friends. If you don't like this video, please hit dislike button and comment the reason below. Don't forget to subscribe to Green Info for upcoming health tips and many informative videos.